Hello friends, this is my comparative study of a miniature orchid size with that of Sonia orchid. See the spike of Sonia orchid. It is really hiking to 1 meter or so. 3 spikes are there in it, and you can see that 3 spikes have bloomed now. Whereas this is a miniature orchid, and you can see the height difference remarkably very well, isn't it? See how gorgeous the small miniature orchid, whereas you see the long shot view of the lengthier Sonia orchid. See, it is actually 3-fold taller than this orchid. It's all nature's creation, and no one can surpass nature. How gorgeous the creation is, you see. Almost all the 3 spikes have bloomed here. And so it's a great view of all the 3 spikes bloomed in Sonia with the smallest miniature orchid. Yes. If you want, I'll show again the long shot of the spike length here. Comparatively, can you see? Please turn this baby. Okay. Now you can see 3-fold length. Yes. Actually, my phone doesn't have lot of clarity. And see, that is Sonia's purple color. Whereas this is somewhat beetroot, red and purple mixed. Inexplicable, yes. See, all the 4 blooms have opened. Now, you can see this. And still more 2 buds are yet to open. And when they open, I'll just show it to you. Thank you.